G'day, Lockie. What are you doing, mate?
Hello, Anthony. I'm just doing some gardening.
Wow, it looks like you're doing some gardening.
Yes, that's right. What are you doing?
Well, I'm going for a walk and eating an apple. This is the fourth apple I've eaten today. You know what they say? 4 apples a day keeps 4 doctors away.
Wow, you really do love apples.
Oh, I sure do, but I better not eat any more apples today. I need to save some apples for tomorrow. Apples don't grow on trees, you know.
Oh, Anthony, apples actually do grow on trees.